Digital matters of the day to share with you. We're thrilled to launch our latest initiative here in the beautiful, historic city of Ballarat, the Mastering Digital Marketing Capability Building Program. My name's Despina Karatzias, and this digital mastery program is designed to supercharge digital skills and transform Ballarat's business community for transformational digital readiness. What does this involve, you may ask? Well, it's a bit of everything. Part of this program includes a before and after digital engagement health check. Here we take a look at how each business currently engages online. Then, after giving operators a full comprehensive report and checklist, we do it all again at the completion of the program to track back, measure digital improvement, and celebrate with the businesses and the destination at large. In addition, we'll conduct an ATDW assessment to see how each business is performing against industry standards. Now, we don't just leave businesses with their findings. We also provide a digital checklist here that's detailed to help steer them in the right path and get the absolute best out of their ATDW and online distribution at large. But wait, there's more. For a more personalised touch, businesses are not left to their own demise and overwhelm. They are fully supported with one-on-one mentoring and coaching. This is gold for any business owner, manager or marketer to give an opportunity to delve deeper into specialised areas and where they need extra support. So to support these journeys, each business also has access to our full suite of Digital Academy services, an excellent resource, which is also inclusive of the four workshops that we kicked off today to help cut through the clutter and level up all areas of business. Now, with the Com Games coming to Ballarat in 26, like the athletes preparing to compete, there's no better time to start winning strategies than now as we focus on digital capability, visitor servicing, international and business readiness. It is all happening and we kick this off today. So to the team at City of Ballarat, thank you. Thank you for trusting us and thank you for partnering together to deliver this excellent digital transformational program for the Ballarat business community. I can't wait to continue this journey over the next 4 months, and here's to mastering the wonderful world of digital marketing and business improvement together.